Hi everyone, welcome to Future Ready Schools. Today I'll give you a quick demo for one of our assessments which is named as Success Skills Scan. So this is our dashboard which you can see it on the screen right now. I'll just scroll down to the assessment section. Yeah, this is it. This is this assessment section where you can find all the assessments. Today I'll give the demo for this particular assessment which as mentioned earlier, Success Skills Scan. So this is a 12 question assessment made just for students. It's not about grades or test. It's like more about learning or learning more about your unique strengths, right? So how you try new things, how you learn, and how you connect with other people or other students basically. So it's this assessment is designed like a game with no right or wrong answers. Just pick what you feel most like yourself, right? So this, as you can see it on the screen, we have three buttons over here. First one is the launch button. When you click on this button, you will lead to the assessment page with where you'll see all the questions. Second is the teacher's guide button. So teacher's guide button is basically for the teachers, which actually explains each and everything about the assessment for the teachers, so that teachers can guide their students perfectly and clearly. I'll click on this button and we will lead to this guide where introduction and purpose of the assessment, all the key principles, actually understanding scoring and interpretation of the assessment, so that teachers can actually guide their students well on the assessment. So you can just go through this teacher's guide and everything is easy to understand. Coming back to the page, next button we have is explore on regional language. So maybe some students or teachers may prefer that regional languages, so you can just click on this button and you will be redirected to this page where you can choose your preferred language in whichever language you are comfortable with. Currently, we are having three languages: English, Telugu, and Hindi. You can just click on any language and you will be redirected to that particular language page. Suppose I'll click on this Hindi language, and there you go. You can see it over here. Everything is in Hindi. Cool, right? So we'll go back and one more thing, like on the launch button, by default, you will reach to the English page only, English language assessment only. So I'll click on the launch button now. I'll take the assessment. Yeah, this is the assessment page where all the questions are arranged for you. So I'll quickly take up all the questions. So after you have done with all the questions, I'll click on this show my superpowers button. Yeah. So now, after completing the assessment questions, I am on this page which is known as Your Awesome Insights. So this is the page where you will actually discover all your scores and your results based on your answers to the questions. So we have certain categories, not based on your answers. It will be specified over here. Maybe it could be like keep trying power, or maybe it could be curious detective, as in depending upon your answers. So this was mine score 15. In out of 15, you're getting all the scores. You also have some more about yourself, awesome yourself section, where you are suggested some of the new things, like some of the tips maybe. That trying new things, you should always learn trying new things, being tidy and careful, getting ready for schoolwork, playing with others. These are all the things that you can know about yourself, and you can actually improve about yourself. You'll also see some ideas under exploring your awesome future section, which is the fun suggestions based on your answers. Some of them are given over here, and you, that means what kind of interest or careers you might excite you. Those are actually, you will be guided under this section. Right. Next we have is the more fun ways to explore your awesome future. So here you will get some everyday tips that will help you grow, like asking great questions or trying new challenges, right? Helping friends or even learning from mistakes. These are some of the tips that would be helping you for your growth. So that is it. Now at the end, you got some buttons, back to questions, which will lead to the questions back. Next button is the download my report button. You can download your report in the docs format, and you can get back to it whenever you need in future. And this is the try again button. So this is all about this particular assessment. You can actually discover your hidden talents or even a teacher guiding young minds. This assessment, this success skills scan, is a fun assessment, powerful way to actually start meaningful conversations and your help in your personal growth. So now this was all about the assessment. Now, moving ahead, we have some other tools designed for basically for students' career, right? And it will also help you as a teacher to guide your students. So these particular assessments, which you will give it to the students to attempt, these will all not only provide the insights, valuable insights. Of course, they will also act as a revenue opportunity for your schools, right? So based on this only, the next step we have designed is that you get so that you can take some action related to it. Like it's about exploring all of this and to take action and to guide your students. So that's where our post assessment tools come in. They are actually designed to support both students and teachers, right? To explore careers and to help them build their skills. So we have created a set of practical student-friendly tools that will that schools and teachers can easily integrate into their maybe classrooms, or you can say counseling sessions, wherever you would like to implement them. Based on your students results, assessment results, you can guide them according to their interest, according to their goals. So basically these tools are designed to like help students to explore parts based on their interest and strengths, reflect on their progress and set some personal goals they have, or maybe to build some real world skills like financial planning and time management, even to help them find right college for their career to match their goals. That is also a tool which we have implemented, which we have designed for you. So everything designed is very simple and age appropriate and even easy to use, whether you are using it in your labs or you are using it during extra periods, or maybe as a part of career counseling programs or something. You can actually guide your students anywhere at any point. Whether you take this assessment, personality style assessment, or whether you take any other assessment from our package, these apps will guide you at each and every step based on any answers, based on any goals that your student is defining after answering the assessments. So now that you're familiar with the assessment, with the post-assessment tools, just go ahead and make your students attempt these assessments and guide them for their career. Thank you.